Most people think you need thousands of dollars to start building wealth. But what if I told you just $5 a day, the price of a coffee, could completely transform your financial future? Today, Money Unmasked is revealing exactly what happens to your money when you invest just $5 a day for 10 years. And the results will shock you. Stay until the end, because the last number will completely change how you think about money forever. Let's start with something simple. $5 a day. That's one coffee, one snack, one small purchase most people make without even thinking. But here's what most people never consider. What if instead of spending that $5 on, you invested it every single day? Over 1 year, look, $5 a day becomes $1,825. That doesn't sound life-changing yet. But wait, here's where it gets interesting. When you invest money, you don't just get back what you put in. Your money starts earning returns. Then those returns earn more returns. Then those returns earn even more returns. This is called compound interest, and it is the most powerful force in building wealth. Warren Buffett, the world's greatest investor, once said it himself. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. So what actually happens to your $5 a day over 10 years? Let's look at the real numbers. Over 10 years, you personally invest a total of $18,250. That's it. Just $18,000 of your own money. But here's the magic. Invested in an index fund tracking the S&P 500, which has averaged 10% returns per year historically. Your $18,000 doesn't just stay $18,000. After 10 years, your investment grows to over $30,000. You put in $18,000 and got back $30,000. That's $12,000 of free money created entirely by compound interest, while you did absolutely nothing. But wait, it gets even more shocking. What if you kept going beyond 10 years? At 20 years, your $5 a day becomes over $69,000. At 30 years, it becomes over $170,000. At 40 years, that same $5 daily habit becomes over $340,000. Let that sink in. $340,000 from $5 a day. The money you personally invested, only $73,000. The rest, over $267,000, was created entirely by compound interest working silently in the background every single day. Now let's compare this to doing nothing. If you keep that same $5 in your pocket every day for 10 years, you have $18,000, full stop. No growth, no returns. Actually less, because inflation is silently eating your money's value every single year. But if you invest it, 10 years, $30,000. 20 years, $69,000. 30 years, $170,000. Same $5. Completely different financial destiny. So why don't more people do this? 3 reasons. Reason 1, they think $5 is too small to matter. Now you know, it matters enormously. Reason 2, they think investing is complicated. It's not. Index funds make it automatic and simple. Reason 3, they start too late. And this is the most dangerous mistake of all, because here is the brutal truth about compound interest. Time is its most powerful ingredient. Every single day you wait is a day of growth you lose forever and can never get back. A 20-year-old who starts investing $5 a day will end up with dramatically more money than a 30-year-old who invests $50 a day. Starting early beats investing more. every single time. So here's exactly what you need to do right now. Step 1. Find your $5. Cut one coffee, one snack, one unnecessary purchase. It exists in your budget, I promise. Step 2. Open a simple investment account. Apps like Fidelity or Vanguard let you start with almost nothing and invest automatically every single day. Step 3. Set it to automatic. Don't think about it. Don't touch it. Just let compound interest do its work silently every single day. That's it. No complicated strategy, no financial degree needed, no large sum of money required, just $5 every day. Starting today, the question is never, do I have enough money to invest? The real question is, can I afford not to invest? Because every day you wait is another day your future self loses money they can never get back. You now know the secret. The only question is, will you use it? If this video opened your eyes, hit that subscribe button. Because every week on Money Unmasked, we reveal the money secrets nobody teaches you. I'll see you in the next one.